Greetings, everyone. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. This is interesting. I believe the work that we do is tremendous and does a great service for the public. But what I want to share with you today is the idea of service projects. If you are in an organization like the Scouts or the American Legion Post or VFW Post or Catholic War Vets Post or Kiwanis or an organization like Dana, and you want to do a project, I'll be more than happy to come out and help you execute that project. Not only is cleaning graves a great service, but it's also very informational. It's educational. It is an opportunity to really get your fingers into the history of Toledo. We've got 54 cemeteries in the Lucas County area. Just outside Lucas County, we've got several more. So we've got a lot around here. And I would suggest to take a look at it. I just want to talk to the Scouts for a few moments, is that there are great opportunities to do some wonderful service projects, but also even better Eagle projects, where you could go not only cleaning graves, veteran graves, but also cataloging veterans in the cemetery and identifying key service areas that the veterans belong to: Vietnam, Korea, World War I, World War II, Spanish-American War, and so on. There's some great history that can be created. In fact, if you did that, you would be able to create a nice legacy piece for the cemetery to be able to share with other people. And I think that is something that is just profoundly useful in an Eagle project, is the lasting function of the project itself. So creating an actual document or a booklet of the cemetery, the veteran population, would actually be quite a cool thing. Now, that can be done by anyone for that matter, but I'm just particularly looking at Scouts and other groups of that nature. So I want you to keep that in mind. Education and awareness is what Remember Veteran Grave Markers is about. But the bigger thing is providing service to the community, and that Remember Veteran Grave Markers is there to serve as a resource person for that organization, so that you, in fact, can get the most out of the experience. Now, we're just talking about service projects. We'll be talking about other opportunities for service in a future video. Hey, you take care. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share the video. It really does great things for us, and it gets the word out, because we look to you to be able to take care of our veterans in the municipal and private cemeteries in Lucas County. Take care. God bless.